Hi guys, we are back. Welcome to our videos. We're here at No Frills and it's already 8:30 in the evening, and we're gonna do our weekly grocery. Let's go. So cold today. It's minus 16 today. Huh. Too cold. Where's the wife? Oh, there she is. She's gonna grab some grapes. Ooh, grapes is on sale. $3.99 per pound. This one?
No, it's
oh, that's different. No?
Take it, it's yours.
There you go.
Might as well get a banana.
Banana?
Banana?
Banana. Huh. Oh, everything is empty. Oh. You want some organic, right? This one will be good.
So many.
What? That one?
How many? Yeah, that's good. How many? Maybe look at the roll. This one's big. Sorry.
Oh. 87 cents per pound.
This one, oh.
That one?
No, this one.
This one?
And
What?
napaka-big.
Napaka-cabbage? Bok choy. Okay. This was good.
Let's see if there's strawberry. One strawberry.
Okay.
Can you look something that's good? Because we still have the chocolate bit. Strawberry.
I think this one's good. How about this one? This one's better, I think. Take this one. Okay, let's go. Look at that. No people today. Less people today. I think they're gonna close in half an hour. What?
Yeah,
Blackberry?
it's nice.
Okay, here.
Chayote.
Coyote.
Chayote?
Chayote. Chayote. I hate these plastics. Living without you, I can't live. I can't live anymore. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that? Huh?
With
Breadsticks?
mozzarella cheese. It's like pizza bread that you can see.
Breadsticks. $1.25 lang. $1.25.
You wanna get more? Is that good? You know, if you're hungry, do we still have bread at home? Or are we getting bread
No.
or no?
No.
We don't have?
No, we still have bread.
We're good.
Uh-huh.
Still $4. What's this? Bread? How much chicken bread? No, we still have the Thai. It's
Yeah. I think we need spring onion.
Spring onion?
Mm-hmm. Still have chicken at the freezer, right?
Oh, we'll get this breakfast sausage of brown sugar. What do you want? Maple breakfast?
Oh, they have brown,
Maple
breakfast, no?
Yeah, this one
Okay,
harvest.
that's one.
Let's try different.
Later. That's the title of that, right? Ken Lee. Ken Lee. I can Lee. Libby 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 do. Libby do.
I wanna make bang bang shrimp.
Bang bang shrimp. That's uncooked.
I know. That's what I want. 300 grams.
That's
400. This one. For the
11.
anniversary.
11.
Yeah. I wanna make bang bang. Bang bang into the world.
Okay. What? What? Oh, they ran out of egg. Oh, it's probably over there. It's probably some over there. At the end.
How about your cream cheese? Are you still good? See, it's still on sale, oh. Or the garlic.
Still good.
Huh?
Still good.
But you eat chips.
Still good. Still good.
Susurin kita dyan.
If you want, you can grab one.
No.
Empty? Oh, empty boxes.
We have to go to Co-op tomorrow.
Why?
They have eggs in Co-op.
How about that one?
Eh, it's $7. Or maybe just grab one because we need one for breakfast. This one, the medium size. In Co-op, it's actually sale $2. Maybe they don't have babies.
Okay. $24 eggs for $8. How many on a tray?
I don't know. 36?
Samosa. What's there? Oh, how about that one?
Oh, yeah. Is it last one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, go grab it. It's the last one.
You need to try this. We are going to try this. Oh, it's only mango.
Huh?
Only mango.
Oh, they don't have the strawberry and the
No, they don't
peach.
It's empty.
But they said it's good, so...
Is that ice cream?
yeah.
Fruity.
But do you want... Magnum is on sale. Do you want to get one?
No. No. It's just a weekly grocery. Are we done? Spam and corned beef. Let's go. Okay, spaghettini. How many?
Just one.
Just one. Okay. Spaghettini. What else to buy?
Let's get QP made. Oh, can you
QP?
get one mango pulp?
What? Mango pulp?
Yeah.
That's $4.49. Mango pulp. Cheesecake. Oh yeah, this is a Filipino food. This cheesecake. You guys better try this one. This is really good. And a QP mayo. $5.99. What's this? Oh, let's go. Because we need water. Or else we're gonna buy water at Quick Stop.
Nandito yung corn beef. Ito. Yeah.
Spam.
Get the life.
Uy! On sale, oh. $4.88.
Pero, about this one, what's the difference between that one?
I don't know.
Light, 25%. Maybe let's get this one. 2 of this. And then that corned beef. Yeah, we need that.
That's it.
And you said the...
Spring onion.
Yes.
Oh. Let's go get some. To get some spring onions. Oh, look at their spring onions. Oh, so nice. Right?
Sila. Oh, are.
Oh, okay, that one.
Gula. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Celery, we have celery at home, right?
Can I take, hang on. Go in the line, I'll just grab this.
But
Yes.
Kiju?
Pomegranate.
Oh. Okay, let's go. How much?
What is it? Go.
Nope.
Karangan naman dyan.
$111 for one box. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's it for this week. Bye bye. Oh.